Yeah, what you did to school? Or what you did at school? You put it here. You put it here and show me. Yeah, look, oh. Wow.
What? May ulat ng balakay mama.
Damo gay imo ginobra sa school gina.
Dasig lang kasi gini very good ang maestra ho.
Wow, very nice. Dapat may personal ka nga teacher nga ikaw lang isa iya bantayan.
Siya lang isa.
Oh my god. Mommy Fami, Dimbo is showing me what he did at school today. Ikaw maning kukuman. Oh my god. That's fine. We're going to wash your hand later.
Sa ganing ginaano sa kay teacher Edith.
Wow, did you make this? Mommy, do you know that this is like match activity? Look at the zigzag, mommy. Look at the zigzag, mommy, and all. Oh my god. Wow, you are very good at school. That's why you can use my phone for 30 minutes. Okay, wait. I'm not yet done. I'm just showing this to mom. Nagbalon pag ginasaginaw. Snap. Oh my god.
Give me.
Okay, say bye na to your parents.
Bye.